Hello students, let us go to the last lesson or poem of this unit, Unit 3, 3.4 Leisure. Before learning the poem, we have to do warm-up exercise. Question number 1. Let me tell how to do warm-up exercise. Discuss in groups and share with one another. First one, daily routine of your mother and father on working days. What do they do? What will be or what is their daily routine on working days? Means from getting up from the bed and going to bed, what do they do? What main work or daily chores they have to do, that you have to write. For example, my mother and father wake up quite early in the morning. They cook meals. They guide us. They help us to get ready to school, etc. In this way, you write your own answer. How your family relaxes on weekends. So, weekend, for example, Saturday and Sunday or Sunday. Its schedule may be different from regular on working days. So, what do they do? How do you plan your weekends? That you have to write here. For example, if I say over the weekends we start our day a little later than usual, means on weekends we get up later. After having lunch, we either play, enjoy the games, watch movie, we go for outings, etc. Means you have to write your own answer. 3. When you go for a picnic, what and how do you enjoy? That's your part and you explain it. I need not explain. Do you spend time admiring and thinking over the beauties of nature? Elaborate your response. Here, do you admire nature? Do you enjoy nature? If you ask me, I would say yes. I do spend time admiring and thinking about the beauties of nature. When I get time, I go to my old house. That means where we stay in summer holidays. I enjoy very much. I like watching tall trees and the birds that nest on their branches. I enjoy fruits. I spend much time from going here and there. In this way, you can write answer. Number 2. When a poet or writer attempts to describe something in words so that it appeals to our 5 senses. Which are our 5 senses? Sight, smell, hearing, touch and taste. He or she has used a device called imagery, complete imagery. It brings an image to our mind. For example, a host of golden daffodils to a chasm deep and vast and wide. If you observe these 2 lines, the clear picture comes to your mind. How is the chasm? It is deep, vast and wide. See the first line, a host of golden daffodils. Go through other poems in your textbook or other books and find out lines that contain imagery. Write them down along with the name of the poem and line or stanza number. Okay? Collect some other lines from different poems. Prepare an acrostic from the word leisure. The words should be related to what one likes to do in free time. Leisure means word meaning refers to what? Free time. So, what would you like to do in free time? The word should be related to that. For example, L means what? Listening to music. Listening radio. E, enjoying a game of hide and seek. Enjoying cricket. I. Indulging in a nature trek. Singing songs. S means you can write singing songs. U. U means undertaking gardening. R. Reading. Reading novels, stories, poems. Engaging in sports. Last one. In this way you can write your own answer. Your answer need not be uniform. Okay. In this way you have to do warm up exercise.